Melus. The robotic arm uses a high-pressure plasma jet to meticulously clean the titanium alloy, preparing it for the Shenyang.
The titanium alloy ingot undergoes rigorous, non-destructive testing.
In process B, this grade B titanium alloy ingot undergoes intense ultrasonic surface activation.
Massive hydraulic presses work on titanium alloy billets, glowing dull red. Sparks fly as the precisely cut grade B titanium is loaded onto the vacuum bed, ready for the high-speed laser which will form the J-35A's actuator rings.
In process B, a robotic arm meticulously applies a specialized
The laser interferometer monitors the cutting depth with nanometer precision, allowing the machine to adjust its path in real time.
As the chamber seals, the plasma ignites. This specialized nitriding process creates an incredibly
This red zone indicates a high-density inclusion right at the weld line.
Yes, the 3D reconstruction confirms the microscopic crack.
Thousands of data points are compared against the original CAD design, confirming the component's perfection.
In this vast, climate-controlled warehouse, Process A is complete. Robotic cranes manage the With the successful sealing of the final subsegment, Process A for the Shenyang J-35A components is now complete.
All stages passed. Quality control is verified green.
Confirmed. Inventory and storage locations checked out.
Process A is officially closed.
The finished Shenyang J-35A nozzle subsert are meticulously moved by the logistics robot into
Within a vacuum chamber, energized particles are deposited onto the ring, forming an ultra-thin, incredibly durable, and self-lubricating. The robotic arm uses focused electron beam welding, creating precise joints vital for the structural integrity of the Shenyang J-35A.
Flow rates are stable across the board.
Green contours confirmed. The tolerances are well within spec.
In Process B, the robotic arm precisely inserts high-tolerance bearings into the J-35A actuator. The J-35A's actuator undergoes meticulous inspection. This miniature borescope detects the
With the final case secured, Process B for the Shenyang J-35A actuator units is complete, ready for integration with the Process A components.
All stages passed. Traceability confirmed.
Inventory matches. Process B is officially closed.
J-35A nozzle subsegments confirmed, ready for assembly.
Actuators also verified, proceeding to alignment stage.
The vectoring envelope test is complete.
All parameters are green. We are cleared for assembly.
The coating provides additional thermal insulation and abrasion resistance, protecting the complex surfaces.
Hydraulic lines connected, pressure nominal.
Electrical conduits synced. Finalizing systems check.
Nozzle articulation looks stable at maximum thrust.
Confirmed. Telemetry is green across the board.
The nozzle's pedals subtly shift, vectoring the jet's thrust to enable agile turns and aggressive pitch changes.